The 7th session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly was formally summoned by Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla and began at 4 p.m. today. New Chief Minister of Manipur, Yumnam Khemchand, faced floor test today. The Governor served the summons in exercise of the powers conferred by Clause 1 of Article 174 of the Constitution of India. This comes after the cabinet meeting chaired by new Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand passed a resolution to call the assembly session today following his swearing-in and 4 other ministers at Lok Bhavan yesterday evening. The other ministers taking the oath include Deputy Chief Ministers Nemcha Kipgan and Lucy Diko, along with cabinet ministers Govindas Konthozam and Kurajam Loken. The cabinet meeting also approved the governor's address, which is mandatory at the beginning of the first assembly session. Following the governor's summoning of the assembly session at 4 p.m. today, a vote of confidence for the new government led by Khemchand is expected to be taken.